All right, y'all, what's going on? What's going on? All right, so today I'm eating some lamb loaded mashed potatoes and asparagus that was made by Mr. C. Okay, so if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Go and subscribe. Even if you're new, if you haven't subscribed, definitely go and subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell so you get notifications the next time we post a video. Leave us some comments down below. Let us know things you like to see us try, things you like to see us cook. Interact with us because we do like to hear from you. I'm going to say grace and get started. Definitely, Father, thank you for this food that we're about to receive for nourishment of our bodies and health. In Jesus' name we pray, amen. He's like sitting here watching me intently, wanting to know how he did this first time he's ever made lamb. What do you want me to taste first? Okay. All right, I'm going to taste the lamb. The lickety lamb. You roasted it. Basically. Okay. Oh, it's nice and thick. Okay. Wait a second. Look, like as soon as I bit into that, like it was, I don't even feel like I really need this knife for real, because it is still nice and juicy and tender. You was kind of concerned that you cooked it too long, but I don't think so. That's good. The loaded mashed potatoes, which I had to eat before, but so hot. And then he made some asparagus and he drizzled some, what is this, balsamic glaze on here? Better than the last ones I made because I overcooked the asparagus the last time I cooked. Oh, I made asparagus when I made them. When I made that lamb. Now, you didn't do nothing to the glaze, but it's a little, I don't know, it's a little tart. You like it? Well, that's good. It do taste like you like a roast or whatever, a lamb roast. Very good, very good. Ooh. Okay, it was hot. I saw something online the other day about the different, I guess, textures and flavors of different potatoes or whatever. And how, like, what's the best way to prepare them. I wish I could remember who posted that, but it's pretty interesting. We were talking about, I think the last couple times I made mashed potatoes, I used russet potatoes and not red skin potatoes, and I typically do red skin, but Mr. C used red skin, and these are really good. These are really good, nice and creamy. What you put in these mashed potatoes? You gonna tell me? He ain't gonna tell me, y'all. He's not gonna tell me. That's crazy that you said it's not as juicy because, well, oh man, I guess I'm dipping it in a little juice that's in here, but it seemed juicy to me. Did you not have juice on yours? Oh. Should put some juice in there. You like seeing me enjoy your food, huh? That's really good. Loaded potatoes is the bomb. That's like my favorite thing at Texas Roadhouse. I love getting them loaded, like mashed potatoes loaded with the cheese and the bacon and the sour cream. And how do you get these mashed potatoes to be creamy like that? You gonna tell me a secret? You ain't gonna tell me a secret though. This one's a little crunchy. A little. A little tough. You know, that'd be a bad one in the batch. He brought his work over here. Young B in the building. I mean, his Roddy. Y'all know I like saying Roddy. Kind of learned that term, but. See how they interact. The baby sleep. He doing one of them things again where he fell asleep at like 4, about 4. I made him take a nap because our power had went out for a couple hours. I figured what better time to take a nap, and he's been asleep ever since. I guess he's gonna sleep all night. Maybe homie going through a growth spurt. That is when they take them long stretches of sleep. Very tasty. I think he just like straight up roasted the lamb. I know. I mean, I kind of roasted, but I like seared it before I put it in there. And I just cooked it like how I would cook like lamb chops or whatever. He had got these a box of lamb roast from Restaurant Depot. Sorry, pause that. It sounds like a baby shot. Get up. I think he is up. Let's see if he wants some of this. My toast is creamy, and let's see, always make sure he do a good presentation. His food be looking aesthetically pleasing. I heard the baby, but maybe I'm tripping. He always marinates his like meats and stuff or whatever. I think I probably should do more marinade. I don't do that often. But obviously I know that makes a difference, obviously, but I don't know, because by the time I done realized or said I'm about to cook something, it'd be time to cook it. Or I just got it from the store. Although, I mean, you could do something as quick as like marinate it for 30 minutes or whatever. But listen, when it be time to cook, it's time to cook. My sweet tea. Oh, I thought I got a whole nother container of mashed potatoes, but I don't know, it's just so good. Let that go away. Yeah, but I mean, obviously, a lot of things can come in lamb roast. Also, unbeknownst to me, okay, I thought that veal was lamb, but it's beef from beef from a calf, or from a young cow. I swear, this whole time I thought that veal was lamb. I kid you not. But what was interesting though, so whenever the power did come back on, and I'm grateful that it was only it was literally probably like, maybe give or take 2.5 hours that the power was out. So I had to make sure that they still out there, because Tom and Jerry, man, I swear these dudes, man, they keep getting out my gate, out the back or whatever. I guess they escaped earlier today while the power was out, but luckily my neighbor's grandson was outside. He was playing basketball. He brought them back. But I told y'all that they escaped sometime last week. While me and my brother was here, my brother had came over for lunch or whatever. My other neighbors said that they was just like roaming around in their front yard, and he brought them back to me. I was like, man, these dudes. Now, granted, both days they had been out there for a while. But why y'all getting into stuff? All that backyard back there, and they want to be into stuff trying to escape. My belly is very happy. I was talking to my girlfriend about, we was talking about pesto, and it was so funny because we was talking about how we feel sophisticated eating pesto, okay? Like, we like pinkies up, okay, eating pesto. She like, cause you know, we was talking about the fact that, you know, nah, we ain't had pesto, you know what I'm saying, like when we was growing up or nothing like that. Like, ain't nobody heard no dang on pesto, or at least we grew up, you know what I'm saying, in the hood. We ain't heard, and then we ain't had pesto in the hood, okay? And she was like, she was like, your tomatoes red, okay? Like, we eating pesto. When I was telling her, she said, your tomatoes red. I don't know why, but that absolutely took me out. Absolutely took me out. We was clowning, but she was saying how she make over I want to say she made over easy eggs, she said, and she used, or she eat pesto with them. And she was saying that there's a place near her that makes good tuna sandwiches, and she gets it with pesto and avocado. And I said, ooh, that sounds good. Like, and I ain't made no I haven't made like tuna salad in a minute. And that's a nice, you know, quick, easy little snack to make or whatever. Let me find out. And I said, well, I say, I don't know if I said this part already, but when we was talking about how we feel, you know, a different caliber on a different level when we eating pesto. All right. Okay, pinky's up, okay, when we eating pesto. Period, okay? Yeah. Yes, it's super good. Very tasty. He probably gonna talk about me about eating that whole thing, but it's just like, first of all, I haven't eaten. Well, I ate 2 eggs and a piece of bacon today. And the only reason why I ate them eggs was because I was making him some breakfast and I busted the yolks. Like, I mean, the last couple times I made him over medium eggs, I keep, like, the yolks keep busting or whatever when I flip it onto the plate or something like that. But today they was just way too busted. I was just like, girl, I can't serve these. I'm just gonna eat them and I'm gonna make some more. So I made some more. And just ate those 2 eggs. And for whatever reason, I don't know why it is, 5 is usually my number. I always make 5 pieces of bacon, even if it's just one person eating the breakfast or whatever. Or Bubby had, the corn dogs, breakfast corn dogs, that's what he wanted. Corn dogs breakfast is what he calls them. And then he wanted an almond butter and jelly sandwich, so I made him that. So he had that while I was making the, well, I guess it was brunch at that time. And yeah, so he didn't have bacon, he just had the sandwich. And then I gave him, like, I bought these, like, what's the, it's like, I think they're called popcorner or something, corner chips or something, but they like puff chips. And they're in the shape of triangles, but they more so kind of give you a what's the things called, rice cake feel, I think, or whatever, kind of. But they're supposed to be a healthier chip, and I got him the cinnamon ones, so I usually give him those with his almond butter and jelly. But they was stale. I feel like they are stale, but he still be eating them. He be tearing them up. And it was funny because Gavin tasted them and he told the Bubby that they was nasty. But also, I'll be giving the Bubby all type of, like, you know, healthier stuff. Gavin grew up on junk food, okay? But I've been trying to, like, give the Bubby better stuff. And also just because because of his allergy to dairy or whatever, I try to give him, like, others. Like, I tried to find, like, I think it's like a chickpea, maybe they're chickpea cheddar or something, or I don't know, chickpea cheese, I don't know. There's some sort of chips that I got for the Bubby, because, you know, kids be liking them cheese puffs. But and while I have given those to the Bubby, he kind of little breaks out around his mouth or whatever when he eats them. So I just wanted to get some that were, like, vegan. So I did get him some, and, like, he be tearing them up. He liked them, so, you know, but, so, you know, he ain't grow up on the, well, I think he probably, you know, the real thing probably at his male parental unit house. But I don't give him that stuff. I try to give him the veganized versions of the stuff. So, yeah, I think that, you know, his taste buds aren't maybe they are or aren't bougie. I don't even know what to say. But Gavin said, no, give me the real thing. I want that. All that to say that he did not like those like popcorn or chips or whatever I gave the puppy. He was just like, oh, these nasty. He told the puppy that his chips was nasty. The puppy's like, my chips are nasty. Why does the puppy repeat stuff that you say? You'd be like, you know, you'd be like, I don't know. Your hair looks like, my hair looks nice. Like it's just funny how he, you know, how he talks or whatever. Some things like he'll, you know, obviously form his own word sentences, whatever, but a lot of times he like just repeats what you say. So it's pretty funny. So you can see I cleaned my plate, so we're good. Okay, well, on that note, we're gonna peace out of here, y'all. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Leave some comments down below. Let us know things you see us try, things you see us cook, interact with us, because we do like to hear from you. And subscribe to the channel. Subscribe. Hit that bell so you get notifications next time we post a video. And we'll see you next time.